to my channel. I am Cem Kaplan. Today we are going to make sesame cookies. They consist two things, sesame and tahini. I like them very much. Let's start our recipe. These are my ingredients. I strain the flour at first. Spread the flour and make a hole inside it like this. I will use 1 glass of sugar. You can use less sugar if you want. Some yogurt. Salt. I have some Tahini and grape molasses. And some butter. Start from inside to the outside. You have to mix butter and sugar very well. After you mix it very well, slowly take the flour inside. I will use 1 glass of sesame, two spoons of molasses, and 1 spoon of water. Mix them together. Now sesame is ready. Now take some part of the dough, like a walnut, and give a sphere shape, like this, almost like walnut in size. Try to make equal spheres. Take 1 piece of dough and take some sesame in your hands and press slowly like this. With this press with the here of your hand, and you got the shape like this. Press gently. Now my sesame cookies are ready. They are also called Tarsus Gevreği in Turkey. I preheat the oven at 170 Celsius degrees. Let's bake it around 15 minutes. This is the inside of the oven. As you see, it's the same cookies are ready. They can be soft at the beginning, but if you wait, they will be harder. Today's quote is, "To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all." Oscar Wilde said that. It was a good recipe. It's a nice day. Take your cookies and some tea and keep on reading. Thank you for watching me today. See you on next recipes. Ciao.